Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to overload the input operator. In the last video I demonstrated how to overload the output operator, so if you haven't seen that you might want to look at that because I provide a little bit of background that I'm not going to provide as much this time. So let's get started. Similarly to how we overloaded the output operator, for the input operator we're going to make it a friend function of our class. Everything looks very much the same. Whoops, that's not a S7, that's a ampersand, and then a point object reference also. Notice we're not going to make this a const this time because of the nature of putting input in. We're actually changing the point object by adding an X and Y value for it. So that's our declaration. So let's come down to our definition section. And I just realized that I did one thing wrong here. Let's go back. That's an I stream, not an O stream. Obviously. Sorry. Okay, there we go. All right. Now, so our definition is going to be a I stream operator. So our parameter list is filled out with an I stream object and a point object. Let's provide a little prompting for the user to enter into. So notice it looks like a typical prompt then read template where we output the x-coordinate label and then we input the value the user types, which is going to be stored in p.x, and we input that to our iStream object. Now let's do the y-coordinate. And then we simply return our input stream as the return value of the function, and we're good to go. So let's see how that works. This time we're going to not put anything in our P, and so it just struck me that I'm going to have to create a default constructor, sorry. So let me do that real quick. Just take a second here. And we'll set x and y to 0. That's probably not a very good choice for a default constructor, but we're not going to really use the default constructor, so that's fine. So now we can write cin.1 to get our point, and then we can write it out using cout. So let's see how that works. Cross our fingers that we don't have any mistakes. Oops, we have a mistake. So let's take a look. I'm just looking over my code to see where I might have made a mistake here. And I'm not seeing it right off the top of my head. Now, I'm not going to edit this out unless I just absolutely can't get it, and then you won't even know that this happened. So, if we continue on, then you know something worked. I'm just going back and looking at my examples here. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Easy mistake. Okay. So in my declaration, I had O stream instead of I stream. All right. So now let's run that again. There we go. So my x-coordinate is 1, my y-coordinate is 2, and my output is x:1, y:2. So to summarize, especially since we had a little hiccup there, The input operator has to be declared as a friend function. iStream, &operator, input operator, iStream, and point are my two parameters. Then in my definition, iStream, address of operator, input operator, and then my iStream parameter and my point parameter, prompt for the x-coordinate, get the x-coordinate, put it in the stream, prompt for the y-coordinate, get the y-coordinate and put it in the stream, and then return the stream as my input. Let's run it one more time. We'll do another one, -1, -1. And that's how you overload the input operator. So thanks for watching.